Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration options available on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down again, click on Vibrate Vocals, and select the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on it and tap on the back button. Over here, if you want to, you can click on shortcut to prevent ringing and tap on vibrate to set it up. Then go back, scroll all the way down and click on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and touch vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!